Hey YouTube, it's Jimmy, back with another one, this time with a multi-tool. A cheap ProTech 4 Tactical, Pro 4 Tactical multi-tool. Spring-assisted pliers, so that's pretty cool, I like that. Really smooth, feels pretty good. Pliers are decent. Not bad. Definitely a cheap set of pliers, or a multi-tool, but it works. Anywho, let's go open this side up real quick. That's the knife side. You got your can opener. You got your little flathead thing. You got your screwdriver. Some other weird flathead thingamajigger. And then your knife. It was definitely dull when I got it, but it's sharp now. Sharpened it up pretty nice. It works. For a multi-tool, it works. It's not the greatest, but these things work. Anyways, that's that side. Let's check out this side. We got ourselves another crap type of saw with a little flathead at the tip. It works. Does the job, but it's definitely a cheap tool. File. Another little scraper thing. That's it for that. Got your little poker. Got some resin on there. Little bowl scraper. Another little flathead. And then your saw. And that's it on that side. And that's it. And you got the pliers. Cheap, real multi-tool. Just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Just probably a $10 to $15 set of tools. I mean, they work. Of course, the pin's broke on this side. Ugh. Great, now I just broke it. Fuck me.